9 block coding websites for kids ages 5 to 15 plus years, for home and school. Get kids started with programming with this great collection of block coding websites, including coding website suggestions for students ages 5 to 15 plus years. What is block coding? Block coding, sometimes referred to as block-based or visual coding, simplifies coding, making it great for beginners. Coders insert a block of code by dragging and dropping it into their project. These blocks are generally supported by simple visuals that help the coding student make the correct choice for the specific application they are working on. Each block of code inserts an instruction, or series of instructions, into the project being coded. These blocks of code tell the program what to do. Why choose block coding for kids? Through using the visual coding tools found in this collection of block coding websites, children can develop understanding of how coding works, generally in the context of fun game development or digital animation. Code.org. Code.org is the original home of the popular Hour of Code for student coders all over the world. It includes interactive tutorials and fun projects sorted for grades K5 and 6 to 12. The site starts students off with block coding before moving into JavaScript, HTML and CSS. Scratch and Scratch Junior. Developed for kids aged 8 to 16 years, Scratch is an intuitive block coding website that empowers kids to code almost anything they can dream up. With Scratch, coders can program interactive stories, games, and animations, and share their creations with others in the supportive online community. Younger children can learn too with Scratch Junior, created for 5 to 7-year-olds. Scratch is free to use for all coders, and schools can access the tools license-free. Blockly? Blockly teaches coding through a series of progressively more difficult puzzles that kids can solve using the intuitive block programming tools. Kids need to drag and drop the blocks of code to solve each specific challenge. Children need to be able to read independently to progress through the lessons without adult assistance. Code for Life. Designed for use with students in elementary/primary school through to high school, Code for Life uses Blockly in the early levels, moving later to Python coding language, to teach coders across a diverse range of topics, from basic coding principles through to coding through gameplay. Tinker. Popular with schools all over the world, Tinker teaches coding through a series of comprehensive, step-by-step tutorials. Once they have moved through the tutorials, students can create their own puzzles, games, websites and apps. VxCode VR. In VxCode VR, students code a virtual robot through a series of different 3D virtual playgrounds, including a walled maze, an art canvas and a grid world. VxCode VR includes 3 code language options: block coding, blocks plus text and text-based coding with Python. Stencil. Stencil is a block coding website with turbo-boosted capabilities. Users can create games to be published across a variety of platforms using the simple block coding language of Stencil. The site includes tutorials and an extensive range of helpful resources, including an education kit for schools. GameMaker Studio. GameMaker Studio is a great visual programming site for creating online games for those with minimal coding skills, with script-based coding an option for experienced users, making it a great extension for students wanting more from block coding websites, such as Scratch. The site includes valuable tutorials and demonstrations, showing students how games are created, and how all of the various moving parts that go into making a game come together, though some limitation exists in the free, trial version of the game. Game Salad. A more advanced platform than Scratch or Hopscotch, Game Salad is an engaging tool for involving older students in coding, the block coding platform especially useful for those less confident with coding. Kids can create their own games by dragging and dropping game elements into their workspace before adding rules that drive the game's functions. Game Salad includes an extensive library of curriculum units and tutorials, with a wide range of support options. Get creating with Game Salad. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to code that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos. If you have any awesome questions, please do put them in the comments below. Note, if any good questions come in, I will put them in a video and explain. Have fun. Thanks for watching.